Wow, what is this? Lasagna?
No, it's
Hondeli.
Hondeli. Is it gnocchi?
Is that gnocchi? Ah, you know that.
Yes.
Russian food, right?
Thursday food.
Okay.
Thursday?
Giant meatball. Korean meatballs are like this. Maybe this.
More like a sweet.
That's like this. That's like a giant ball.
Yeah, or there's another name. Just has another name. Porpita. Yes.
Porpita?
Porpita.
What is porpita?
Porpita. The name of that.
Some people call, I think
Porpita in Italiano.
Should I do it?
Start with master of puppets. Tem que falar. Como é que é isso aqui? É um redondo, né? And then it's a little circle. You grab how many circles you want.
Oh, circles. Okay, that's
And
what
grab
it is.
Circles.
Circle of life. Circle of life.
And then
And the giant meatball.
grab the giant meatball. Ô Gil, você perdeu a oração em coreano. Ele fez em coreano. There. He prayed. He said he prayed.
It's okay, I'll pray again.
É chinês.
If you ever remind me again.
And then queijo
Parmesan.
ralado. Yes.
Parmesan, okay.
Whoa! I don't mind because I love cheese.
Okay.
I'm a cheese person. No, I want him to. I want him to.
No,
experience.
I told him to show me.
Yes.
It's okay, it's okay. It's fine. Don't worry, just help yourself. I have to drink Guaraná because I'm in Brazil. Yes. That's how we do. Who's this person?
It's a.
I know it's a guy, but who?
Maybe. He's a TV show guy, host.
Name?
I don't know. Come on.
Gnocchi.
Bottle caps.
Funcionário, povo velho, 29 anos.
Then I'll have the rolls.
Nada a ver, é mó carinho, tipo.
A gente vai assistir aquele filme lá do Vampiro que Espanto.
Oh.
Você tá louco, Não é mais espiritual, de admissão. Agora você viu o filme do vampiro com ele?
Gostou, claro.
30 dias.
Mas ele assistiu o filme de zumbi ontem.
Zumbi? Tem filme coreano de
Here it
zumbi.
is.
Essa é a última lá.
Pegar uma bola de carne.
A gente vai assistir o Parasita.
Parasite.
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 We're gonna watch with David because David hasn't seen it.
Oh yeah.
Tudo legal.
So good.
Wow, it's very nice. The food. Gnocchi. Yeah.
Potato based.
It's second time I have gnocchi. First time was not good, but this time is good.
First time I this time. Better. A little better.
The meatball is very good too. Meatball. I've never eaten meatball this size in my life.
Me neither. First time I had was here also. Like, whoa.
So what's the name of this?
Who made that?
Home deli? Home deli.
Spelled with what letter?
What?
It starts spelling with what letter?
So is it R?
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean home. So what does that R?
Probably they will say rondelli.
Rome deli. So Rome, it's like a Rome, like a.
Like Rome.
Okay.
Yeah, Rome we say Roma. Rondelli.
Oh, Homa. Okay.
Rondelli.
Oh, it's really good.
And the sauce has cinnamon. It's a secret ingredient.
Oh, yeah, cinnamon.
More stuff.
He made it.
Oh, he made it.
Yeah.
He's a good cook.
Yeah, better than my mom.
Oh, what? No.
No, he's the best. Yeah, he's better than me. Yeah.
In Korean, what's the sound of a dog? What do you say?
Bong bong.
What?
Bong bong. Bong.
Dog says bong. They don't have
What do you say?
Ow, ow.
What dog says ow?
But they don't have lips to make bong. Really the
Bong.
bong.
Hey,
Nem alto.
Chico, bark. Come here.
It's more
Chico.
So, ow. No.
No, it's different. Chico, come. Wow. Amazing dessert. And even this. What is this?
Brigadeiro.
Brigadeiro. So chocolate?
Sem açúcar, sobre
Oh, hello. This is brigadeiro. And brigadeiro. We're gonna brigadeiro is we eat at birthday parties. Usually birthday or any celebrations we like it.
Don't drop everywhere.
Basically is condensed milk with chocolate, and we put some chocolate.
He keeps doing that.
Chocolate sprinkles. Is this filming me or my arm?
I think this is really white. Oh, that's right. No, your face was not there. Sorry.
People like to see my face.
Okay, yeah. Sorry about it. I'm very sorry.
So yeah, so this is very popular. And I said before you come, like he has to try brigadeiro. So that's why we have here.
Oh, thank you so much.
De nada.
Not you. Thank you so much.
Now I want 600 reais.
Bom, vocês.
Yes. So we have here also
Limon pie.
limon pie.
brigadeiro em limão bite com o David. Ah, she has a
Yeah, the sentence that you want to say.
한국어를 잘 몰라요.
Oh, yeah.
기본만 알았어요.
어? Could you say it again?
기본만 알았어요.
기본만.
예,
Yeah,
만
기본만 배웠어요.
배웠어요.
Yeah, taught. Learned.
네.
Yeah, you can say like, yeah, I knew only the basic, but yeah.
Yeah.
But her pronunciation is really good.
Yeah, right. Thank
Yeah.
you. 두 달만
어?
기본 많아요.
2달만.
달만.
어.
달만. 네. 공부 못했어. 미안해요.
Oh, you don't need to be sorry. 네, it's okay. 괜찮아요. 네.
감사합니다.
Yeah, she's
I
good.
practiced for 2 days, bro.
Awesome.
And they do like this.
de luz.
Gabriel faz assim tipo. I have something for you.
Here is Julia.
I'm too beautiful.
Yeah, just knocked off, I guess. Okay. Wow, so heavy, huh? He's being tortured. Animal abuse. I'm capturing everything. I'll report her to the police. Policia. People don't care. Oh, okay.
Bom treinamento pro filho, hein? Dá capacete pra ele.
What did you say?
I'm gonna give her a helmet for her kid.
Yeah, you have to, that would be fun.
When I was a baby, she dropped me.
My fault. It was my
How do you know?
Because my mom always tells me the story.
Oh.
When you were a baby, your aunt dropped me. That's why you're like this.
Veronica is like, it makes sense. That's so funny. 데이비드가 저한테 2층을 보여주고 싶어 했는데 지금 방이 엉망이라서 여기 비비안 아주머니랑 지울리아랑 같이 치우러 올라왔습니다. Hey sir, can I go up? 와카리마스.
0409.
This is the room for the TV.
Okay, so you work here.
No, this computer sucks.
Okay.
So we work.
LG.
Work here.
LG TV.
Yes. So I sleep here.
On the floor. 보스키 가족.
Mais um dos seus outros.
다비드.
And now I have a stamp, but I have to test it first.
Okay.
Julia, you have to show your room.
She doesn't need to.
Julia.
Nice pictures. Whose room is this? Wow, it's very organized. Quidditch. I don't know what this is.
You don't know Avatar?
Ever tried the Legends of Aang and Korra?
Oh, the Airbender.
Yes.
I know, but in Korea nobody watches.
It's the best cartoon ever, and it's by Americans, but it's drawn by Koreans.
Okay. Oh, your father lost a lot of weight.
Yeah.
Wow. You're a big what is it? Harry Potter fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, the entire family.
Nice bed.
And Lord of the Rings.
Cute dolls. And there's BTS. Wow.
What does it say?
Interpret.
I don't know. I forgot.
I won't lose your hand even when I go on the other side of the world. Earth. On the side of the earth. Oh, you have the BTS mouse pad.
Yeah.
It's fake?
BT
Or true?
It's fake, of
Oh.
course.
BT2. Of course it's fake, she says.
Oh, look her practice. Oh,
Yeah.
she has nice handwriting. Look, this.
Yeah,
looks
she's pretty
nice.
good.
Yeah. Like
You can go. Chuko.
I read
Woo, she's studying really hard.
incomodar.
실례하다.
Incomodar. So
Excuse me. Comodage. Okay. Nice room tour. Thank you.
what is all this? Oh my gosh.
What's going on?
Las varinhas.
Oh, this is the.
Harry Potter one.
Yeah, ones.
Are you guys like?
You need to watch Harry Potter with guns. They changed all the
wings with them.
Is this a domestic store or something? Why are there so many? Abracadabra.
So this is Pedro's room.
Yeah.
He has a map of the world.
Map of the world. Corea do Norte.
Corea del Norte is right there.
My hometown. Just kidding.
So here's my stuff, my books, my manga.
Oh, Naruto.
Yes.
And then
And it's in Japanese. And then some.
귀멸의 칼날. That's the famous one that you like.
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Yeah, 귀멸의 칼날. Yes.
That's-
And Yotsuba.
Where's the first one? Yotsuba. That's a good for to
I
to
watched-
practice.
I watched Yotsuba when I was younger.
This is Rebecca and Bia room.
Rebecca and whose room?
Bia.
Bia, okay.
So they sleep here.
Oh, I saw that over there, so I thought,
Yes.
whose room is that then? What is room? What is this room?
Like a playroom. Like for
Playroom.
toys. It's called Brinquedoteca, which means library of books. Not library, but like room for toys.
Many dolls.
Yes, and all Disney. Not
These are the most dolls that I've ever seen in my life. I think in a room.
It's kind of creepy, right? I think it's creepy. I think these babies are creepy because they look so real.
Yeah, the one sitting in the. Yeah, that's.
Yeah,
a-
that one.
Yeah.
Imagine like if I wake up and I see that, right? That I'm gonna.
You might cry.
Yeah.
I might tear up. And call my mom.
I think this one is creepy also because they make Belle look like Emma Watson.
Yeah,
It's
that
so creepy.
I recognize that.
Like this is okay, but this is not okay.
Yeah, that one looks a little creepy. Yes.
Yeah. It looks like a man. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. That looks like a man.
Look, imagine Veronica. You like wake up and then you see this.
Ai.
You see
I.
this like this. Oh, you can't turn your head. Okay.
You don't-
You're a little bit normal.
You don't turn her head.
Oh, look at this. Look at this one. When I was a teenager, we did a Halloween at my house, and I wanted to decorate our house for Halloween. So what I did, I grabbed all my sister's dolls, and then I hang them in the ceiling of the garage, bunch of dolls like this, and I painted with blood. So this was our decoration, and people were like,
That's scary.
That's really good.
That's the scary stuff. I bet your sister didn't like it.
"Yeah, but she was grown up."
Where's the Harry Potter one?
Whoa, there are a lot of clothes.
The master room.
Master room. Very nice. Fancy room with great television
Mirror.
from LG, yes. Good
What
one.
does LG mean? Does it mean anything?
Life is good.
Oh.
But the original meaning is that lucky 금성, which is the lucky gold star.
Like you both.
Yeah, that's the original name of LG. But now they're like,
Life is good.
yeah, now they're saying life is good.
Okay, let me take this. Já foi do espelhinho assim.
Eu pensei que você já ia.
É porque a cama mudou de lugar, hein, Rebeca? Ai.
10 segundos.
É, agora tu não sonha o tempo todo que a gente não sabe.
Is it facing upward? I don't know.
Your face?
No, it's facing upward.
Facing the other side of the camera.
안녕. Bye bye. See you next time. Gabriel, did you take some good stuffs from the house?
Yes. Because of that.
No, no. I'm just saying it.
I don't have a self